Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Sri Mahavir International School. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home and also enjoying the online classes of our school. So students, today I am back with my new video and going to teach you chapter number 4 of your English grammar portion. Beta, in my last video I taught you about pronoun. I hope you understand that topic. So let's start today's new topic, adjective. As you all know, in English grammar, there are 8 types of parts of speech. Number 1 is noun. Number 2 is pronoun. Number 3 is adjective. Number 4, verb. Number 5, adverb. Number 6, preposition. Number 7, conjunction. And number 8 is interjection. So, adjective is the part of speech. Okay. So let's begin the topic. You have learned that an adjective is a word used to qualify or describe noun and pronoun. So search a word which describe or qualify noun and pronoun is called an adjective. As you all know, what is noun? All naming words are called noun, and pronoun, a word used instead of noun, is called pronoun. So the words which say something more about or describe the noun and pronoun is called an adjective. Okay. Can you say which of the highlighted words below have been used as adjectives? Try to identify the different type of adjectives used. Number 1. Kolkata is my city. Kolkata is a big city. It stands on the left bank of the beautiful river Hooghly. This river is a tributary of the Gangas. The river usually has enough water throughout the year. Kolkata has 2 railway stations. There are many monuments in the city. Each monument is quite stunning. Which monument is my favorite? The Victoria Memorial, of course. All the highlighted words above being used to describe or qualify noun. So beta, how come we know? City. City is a place and this is noun. So we just used to describe city with the word big. Okay. Here again, city. City is noun and we use here my to describe it. Okay. Then next is bank of beautiful Hooghly river. So left bank, beautiful river. Okay, river is place and beautiful is adjective. An adjective. This river, this is noun and we use here this. Now I think one question is raising in your mind that ma'am, my and this is not adjective. But beta, when we learn more about the types and kinds of the adjective, then we come to know that my and this is also as an adjective, because these words are using before the noun. That's why they are called adjective. Okay? We will clear this when we continue the kinds or types of adjective. There are many monuments in the city. So monument is a place. So it is many here. Adjective. Water is noun. Water enough is adjective. Railway station is noun. 2 is adjective. Each monument. Monument is noun. Each is an adjective. Monument and which is an adjective. So you can see these highlighted words include to describe all the nouns and pronouns. So simply we learn about what is adjective. Describing words are called an adjective, or one more definition we can say, a word which describe noun and pronoun is called an adjective. Now we will learn more about kind or parts of the noun. All the highlighted words above have been used to describe or qualify nouns. Let us revise what you have learned about the different kind of adjectives. Number 1. Adjectives of quality. Adjective of quality. Quality. Describe the kind or quality of a person or thing. As you all know that every noun has some quality. So whenever noun describes its quality is called adjective of quality. Like we can say city. So when city have a quality, what? Big city. Bright. Bright have a quality that bright is beautiful. Okay. So when the noun describe the quality of something is called an adjective. Okay. Next, adjectives of quantity. Okay. Adjective of quantity indicate how much of a thing is meant. It means when we use the quantity before the noun to describe it is called adjective of quantity. Okay. For example, little rain, kam barish. Okay. So rain, barish, and we use little rain, kam. So it is an adjective. Enough water. Water is noun and enough is used for the describing water. So here by the words little and enough we come to know these all are the quantity of adjective. Adjectives of number indicate how many of a thing is meant. Now quantity show how much we have, okay, and number show how many we have something. Okay, again I am repeating, quantity explains how much of thing, okay, and number how many of thing is mean. Okay. Adjective of number indicates how many of a thing is meant. For example, 2 stations, 6 ferries. Okay. So station is place as a noun and here we describe 2 station. 6 ferries. Ferries is noun and 6 is number of that. So it is adjective of number. So beta, these are the first 3 kinds of adjective. Number 1, adjective of quantity, adjective of quality, and adjective of number. Let's come to the next another kinds of adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Before doing demonstrative adjective of numbers having 3 kinds. How many? Adjective of number having 3 kinds. Beta, pay attention. Definite numerical adjective. Definite numerical adjectives state to extract number of people or thing. Whenever we are talking about the number of any people and thing, it's used as a definite numeral adjective. Okay. Whenever before the noun we find any numeral number, it called as a definite numeral adjective. Cardinals tells us the number of the people. For example, 30 years, 22 days. Okay. So whenever we are talking about the number, okay, these number are included as a definite numeral number, and definite numeral number having another 2 part. Number 1 is cardinal. Cardinal tells us the number of people or thing. Okay. Number, when we are talking about the number, जब हम numbers की बात करते हैं वो डेफिनेट न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव्स में आते हैं, और डेफिनेट न्यूमरल एडजेक्टिव्स के अंदर पार्ट होता है नंबर 1, दैट इज कार्डिनल नंबर. कार्डिनल नंबर में नंबर्स को यूज किया जाता है एंड ऑर्डिनल नंबर टेल्स अस द ऑर्डर ऑफ पीपल और थिंग इन अ सीरीज. ओके, सो इन अ सीरीज व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट the order of people or thing is called ordinal. So beta, cardinals are number and ordinal are order. Let's see the example. 6th month of year, second example. I hope you understand what is definite numeral adjective. Definite numeral adjective having 2 parts. Number 1 is cardinal. Number 2 is ordinal. Cardinal number are simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Infinite. And ordinal number having a order. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. Okay. Now next, indefinite numeral adjective. Now adjective of number having 3 kinds. Number 1, definite numeral adjective. Definite numeral adjective having 2 kinds. Then indefinite numeral adjective do not indicate exact number. Okay. Here we don't know about the exact number of something, but in definite we having a exact number of people and thing. Okay, so indefinite numeral number do not indicate an exact number. For example, few children. Here we don't know about the number of the children, so we write here few children, many people. Okay, Now the third adjective of number is distributive numeral adjective. What is it? Distributive numeral adjective refers to each one of a number. For example, every child, each person. Okay, so when we are talking about the distributive numeral, we use some words to distribute them, like each, every, one of them. Okay, so these are distributive numeral adjective. Again, I am repeating that adjective of number having three kinds. Number one, definite numeral adjective. Definite numeral adjective have two parts. Number one, cardinal. Number two, ordinal. Number second of adjective of number is indefinite numeral adjective. Here we do not know the exact number of people and things. And last is distributive numeral adjective. Distributive numeral adjective of each one of a number. Each one of a number. I hope beta you understand these three adjective of number. Now next come to the another part of adjective, demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective indicate which person or thing we are talking about. When we are talking about which person or thing, we use demonstrative adjective. Beta, clear it very carefully that when we use this, that, these, those before the noun is used as a demonstrative adjective. I am repeating my words. When we use this, that, these, those before the noun, it use as a demonstrative adjective. Like I am talking here about the river. River is noun. It is a place. And before the noun I use this river. So it is demonstrative adjective. Those girls. Girls are noun. Okay. So before the girls, those is written and those is a demonstrative word, and this demonstrative word used as a demonstrative adjective. Now, one also clue box we get here to learn more about this. The words this, that, these, those can be used both as adjective as a pronoun. Very important thing you have to learn here, that many of the students getting confusion when they are solving the exercise regarding to demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Let me clear it, because the example of demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronouns are same. This, that, these, those. What is the major difference between them? Let me learn. It is important to distinguish between the two functions. The easiest way to determine the part of a speech is to examine whether the word qualifies a noun or point to a noun. Demonstrative adjectives will always be followed by a noun. As I clear you when I explaining the definition, that demonstrative adjective always followed the noun. This is a charming old city. This is a charming old city. So you can see this after is not any noun. So it is placing it here as a pronoun. This is a charming old city. Pronoun pointing to the city. So here this is pointing to the city. We are not talking about here, just pointing to the city. Next is this book is very interesting. So this stands before the noun. Book is noun. So it is adjective of demonstration adjective. Okay. Adjective qualify the noun book. यहाँ पे qualify कर रहा है एग्जेक्टिव वर्ड दिस किसको, बुक को, और यहाँ पे दिस वर्ड पॉइंटिंग कर रहा है नाउन सिटी को. सो बेटा आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज डेमोस्ट्रेटिव एग्जेक्टिव एंड व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective. Now come to the next, interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjectives are used with noun to ask question. Interrogative adjectives are used to ask question. For example, which city, whose city. Again one question raising in your mind, ma'am, that pronoun also have interrogative pronoun. And now we learn possessive adjective. Before clearing what is adjective, interrogative adjective and interrogative pronoun, first we learn about possessive adjective and Possessive adjectives show belonging or possession. For an example, my bag, their house. So possession means and belonging here ownership. किसी चीज़ के आप मालिक हैं. बट बेटा आपने ये दोनों नाउन्स को देखा होगा, इन दोनों एडजेक्टिव्स को देखा, तो आपने क्या देखा? दैट एडजेक्टिव वर्ड्स आर ऑलवेज बिलोंग्स टू द नाउन. नाउन को ही डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हैं. जो वर्ड नाउन को डिस्क्राइब करते हैं वो एडजेक्टिव होते हैं. सो इंटेरोगेटिव वर्ड्स आर ऑल्सो WH वर्ड. But whenever these WH word includes or follows the noun, okay, that time they all were interrogative adjective. Similar as possessive adjective, having a same example related to possessive pronoun, but these possessive adjective also use begins the noun before the noun. Now, it is important to understand the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. How? My aunt wrote me a letter. This letter is mine. Lives in this aunt of mine lives in Canada. Again, I am repeat the sentence. My aunt wrote a letter. This aunt of mine lives in Canada. So you can say my aunt. My aunt is here adjective because aunt is noun and before the noun I use possession word, so it is possessive adjective. Now this aunt of mine lives in Canada. So here we are talking about the aunt who lives in Canada, so we are pointing something, so that is possessive pronoun. Jasbir spoke to a friend of his about his problem. His friend has promised to help. Again the same thing you can see, that before the noun the word used or indicates as a possession is called possessive adjective, and we are pointing something, then it is possessive pronoun. The underlined word have been used as adjective because they qualify the nouns that follow them. The highlighted words are possessive pronouns. Some are possessive pronoun, they are not highlighted to the noun, so they call possessive pronoun. So beta, I hope you understand the various types and kinds of adjective. Let me give you a quick revision. What is adjective? Adjective describing words are called adjective. There are various kinds of adjective, that are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective and possessive adjective. Beta, you have here one exercise. I hope you understand the topic. Do this exercise, practice exercise in your book. If you have any query, write it to me in a comment box. Okay students, bye bye. Have a nice day.